Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Varma. I am once again back with latest job notification of Wipro. They are hiring Wipro NLTH version 2 has come for the 2020, 2021 and 22 graduates. So exciting opportunity. If you have come first time in our channel, do subscribe. It's a request. You will get lots of information regarding job updates, career related guidance, interview experience, all these things you will get. So hit the subscribe button and beside that bell icon button. Let's get started. Wipro Elite 2.0 has again published. So you can see exciting compensation opportunity they have bring this time. So you will get joining bonus also. It's a very good opportunity. So as of now, as I mentioned previously, that Wipro Capgemini TCS they are hiring again nearly 1 lakh plus candidates. So this opportunity they have bring again for all these graduates 2020, 2021 and 22. So let's get discuss the eligibility criteria. BA Tech in qualification, any MTech qualification are eligible. You have to be in full-time course, obviously from the central or state government of India. No part-time distance learning educational degree will be allowed. 10th or 12th, all branches except fashion technologies, textile engineering, agricultural and food technology. Other than these branches, every branches are eligible, like chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical, electronics, CSC, IT, all these branches are eligible. So year of passing, as I mentioned, 2020, 2021 and 2022. These three batches. One backlog is allowed till the offer stage, like 6 CGPA marks is required or 60% marks required. In 10th and 12 also 60% or above required. Age limit is 25. If you are greater than 25, then you will not eligible. Okay. So just keep in mind this eligibility criteria. So after registration, some of the candidates comments that I'm not getting the examination mail. So if you are not fulfilling the eligibility criteria, then obviously you will not get the registration mail or the exam link. So last date to apply this link is 31st of January 2022. So lots of time in your hand, but I will suggest do the early application. Okay. So online assessment date will be furnished later or will be included later. You will definitely get the mail in your registered mail ID. So we will also let you know when the date will come again. I will definitely show you the criteria of syllabus as well as preparation guidance. I will definitely show you. So stay tuned with me with job updates by Varma. So mainly the evaluation process, you have to do registration, then assessment will happen, then business discussion or the GD will happen, and also the technical HR discussion. Then you will get the offer letter. So now the exciting thing, that compensation flow I need to discuss. So your journey begins here. You will get joining bonus, yearly increments, as well as merged bonus. So, lots of exciting things you will get in this NLTH opportunity. So, joining compensation, they're giving like joining CTC is 3.5 LPA. Flat bonus after 6 months from joining, you will get rupees 25,000 as joining bonus after 6 months completion. Okay, so it can be merged with compensation after 12 months of bonus payout. So it may happen that your this 25,000 rupees will be added after completion of 12 months bonus amount. So you can expect you can get the bonus amount after 6 months or after 12 months. Okay. So regular yearly increments obviously happen. And there is a March bonus concept they have newly introduced, like after completion of 18th, 24th, or 36th month from date of joining. So I have already discussed that salary structure previously for Wipro in my video. So I definitely share that link in the description box. You can check that so that you will get a greater idea. So now, as I have mentioned, there is a service agreement of 12 months. That is, if you break that agreement, you have to pay rupees 75,000. Uh, your designation will be project engineer. Some additional criteria they have given: one backlog is allowed at the time of assessment stage. Maximum 3-year gap in education allowed from 10th to graduation. Candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in last 6 months are not eligible. You should be an Indian citizen, and Bhutan Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. Okay, so this is the Elite National Hunt 2.0 recruitment process. If you find any challenge, you can, if you have queries, you can directly contact to the manager.campus@redwipro.com with subject line Elite NTH 2.0, and also you can share your doubts with us. We are happy to help you guys, so please do comment. And if you really like this video, hit the like button, share this job opportunity with your friends. Please let them know that Wipro is hiring again, so that many of the candidates get hired by these IT organizations. So all the best to you guys. Do your registration as early as possible, and it's a request, do a subscribe and share this news with your friends. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video with new job.